Sidebar is the official podcast of the Napa County District Attorney's Office. Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Villatoro and I'm the Public Affairs and Media Officer for the Napa County District Attorney's Office. And it's my pleasure to introduce you to the Sidebar Podcast. With me today on the Sidebar Podcast is Lauren Whites. She is our very talented media technician who will be helping me produce this podcast for you.
So Carlos, what is a sidebar?
That's a great question, Lauren. It's something that I recently learned. A sidebar is a conference that the judge has not only with the prosecutor, but with the opposing counsel. And it's meant to be more of a private counsel. So in that spirit, we decided to call this podcast the Sidebar Podcast because we're going to be having very intimate talks with you all.
And what are we going to be talking about on the Sidebar Podcast?
Well, I'm glad that you asked that, Lauren. We're going to be talking about everything that pertains to the Napa County District Attorney's Office. Everything from the cases that we oversee on behalf of the people to our many outreach activities that we perform on every given month. We're also going to be using this podcast, Lauren, to highlight some of our community partners and their activities. And there are many of those as well. So we hope that you enjoy this podcast and that you will become a subscriber to our YouTube channel, which is where you will be able to find the Sidebar Podcast. I'm glad that you were able to join us today. From myself and Lauren, we will see you next time on the Sidebar Podcast.